everyone, I'm Angelica Joyce G. Sangkap from BSHM 1E. For this vlog, I choose food and beverage sector, specifically focusing on kitchen, operation, and a resort. Today, I will interviewing the chef to understand their daily tasks, responsibilities, and how their service contribute to customer satisfaction. Hello po, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Catherine Reyes Santos, working here in Puricos Cabin Resort as a chef.
Can you describe your daily tasks as a chef in this resort?
I will answer your question in Tagalog para clear. I-describe ko yung trabaho ko bilang chef. Minsan, mahirap. Pero pag nakikita mo yung satisfaction ng mga guests sa pinaghirapan mong lutuin, nakakawala ng pagod.
What are your main responsibility in the kitchen?
Unang-una, to maintain cleanliness. Pangalawa, para i-serve ang food ng fresh at nasa naayos na panlasa ng guest.
How do you ensure that the food quality and service meet customer expectation?
Bilang isang nagluluto, unang-una yung kailangan galit sa puso mo ang pagluluto. Dahil pag bukal sa kalooban mo at bukal sa puso mo, minamahal mo, may pagmamahal ang ginagawa mo. Lahat yun sumasang-ayon. Kahit napaka-simpleng ingredients lang, pag may kasamang pagmamahal, ang sarap yun.
Can you explain the process from receiving an order up to serving the food?
Dito sa resort namin, kailangan may allowance, time allowance. Kasi ang pag-prepare ng food is hindi biro. Kailangan ng oras, kailangan ng preparation. Kaya ang ginagawa namin before, kung hanggat maaari, iniiwasan natin yung on-the-spot order. As long pag naka-check-in sila dito, ginagawa talaga natin na may advance order para hindi na de-delay. At saka, mas magandang preparation, mas masarap na pagkain. Kasi pag minadali yung pagkain, minsan may palpak, minsan hindi masarap. Ang pagluluto kasi kailangan ng tiyaga, panahon, at pagmamahal para lahat nasa ayos.
How do your service contribute to customer satisfaction?
Una-una, yung taste, yung panlasa ng guest. Pangalawa, dapat on time. Kung ano yung oras kailangan ng guest or gusto ng guest, i-serve yung food nila, kailangan on time nandoon. Pangalawa, kailangan ng good service. Simula sa food preparation, food serving, at saka yung mga kailangan ng guest na ito-provide. Dahil yun ang kailangan pagdating sa ganitong trabaho, customer is always right. At yun ang kailangan natin, yun yung inaabot nating goal, yung satisfaction ng mga guests.
What challenges do you usually experience in the kitchen and how do you handle them?
Mostly, ang challenges sa kitchen, yung hindi mo maiiwasan out of stock. Tapos yun ang request ng guest, yun ang gusto ng guest. Kailangan ng mabilisan, kailangan mong i-provide kung ano yung kailangan ng guest, kung ano yung gusto ng guest. Yun, challenge din yun sa amin bilang nagluluto. Pangalawa, may mga guest na hindi kasi tayo pare-parehas ng panlasa. May guest na mababaw yung panlasa, meron naman guest na pero lahat naman yun nagagawa ng paraan. Ang pangalawang challenges, yung mga guest na hindi nakakaintindi minsan na ang kailangan talaga ng oras para sa pag-prepare ng food. tulad ng gusto nila on the spot, isa-serve agad. Hindi naman ganun kadali yun. Kailangan ng oras para palambutin, kasi may mga order talaga na hindi agad-agad naluluto. Yun. Tapos, may mga ibang guest na hindi mo talaga na-please. Yun yung mga challenges sa atin bilang nagluluto. Pagkakaalam mo, okay na yung niluto mo. Pero may guest pa rin hindi sila nasasatisfied. Pero, madalang lang naman yung mangyari.
Thank you po.
Thank you din. Sana masagot ko yung mga questions. Yan ang tama.
Based on their interview, kitchen operations play a very important role in the food and beverage sector. This shows the bright micro perspective of tourism because it focuses on the actual workflow, staff responsibilities, and service process inside the kitchen. It also shows how proper food preparation, quality control, and teamwork contribute to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the role of chef is very important in delivering quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction. This interview helped me understand how kitchen operations work in a real setting